Today I'm going to be demoing the object lesson called God's Masterpiece. And what you're going to need is a small wooden cross that you can find at the dollar store or from a craft store. You're also going to need some broken tiles, and these are just regular tiles that I smashed with a hammer. If you didn't want to do that, you could purchase glass mosaic tiles from Amazon.com, or you can look for those in a craft store, and the benefit is you're not going to have to do that work. There also won't be any sharp edges, so everybody is going to leave with all of their fingers intact, and that's a good thing. And you're also going to need some craft glue for this. I also did this object lesson on a larger scale using a 2-foot by 4-foot wooden cross, and I found those instructions on Pinterest. And I used this object lesson as part of an altar call at a women's retreat. And at the end of the message that I taught, I had the women come up and sort of put pieces of tile in, and over the next day or so we completed the cross, and I'll show you pictures of that. So that's another option if you have the time and you want to do something like that. I'll show you what we did. But for today, I'm just going to be showing you this easy classroom version that won't take very much preparation. Ephesians 2:10 says, "For we are God's masterpiece. He created us anew so that we could do the good things He planned for us long ago." So why did God have to create us anew? Well, it's because we were broken. Our sin broke us. Our sin broke our relationship with God. But God loved us so much and had so much mercy that even while we were sinners, He sent Christ to die for us, to repair the relationship that we had with God. See, we're not a masterpiece because we're so beautiful, but we're a masterpiece because God loved us enough to take our brokenness and put us back together again. You know, sin is not the only thing that breaks us. In life, there's a lot of things that can break us. You might come from a broken family. You might have a broken relationship. You might have broken dreams, or maybe even a broken heart. But God specializes in restoring things. And He does it so that we can do the good things that He planned for us long ago, so that we can tell others of what God has done in our lives. So that we could tell others, I was broken, but I'm not anymore because God healed me. So how can something that's broken be made new? How can something that's broken be made beautiful again? Well, I have some broken tiles here, and you know, they're pretty small and they don't look like they're gonna be good really for anything, but they are good for one thing. I don't know if you've ever seen a mosaic, but a mosaic is a beautiful piece of artwork that's made from smashed up bits of things. And I started working on one today, and we're gonna finish this together. But I've only put in a few pieces and it's already looking pretty good. These tiles are already being made into something that is brand new. So whatever you're facing today, whether it's a sin in your life, whether it's a relationship that needs restoration, God wants to heal you and He wants to restore you so that you can be made complete and whole, and so that you could do the good things that God planned for you long ago. So let's yield ourselves to God. Let's ask Him to repair the brokenness in our lives so that we can do the good things He planned for us.